Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths, and as we have started chapter number 17, that is idea of speed, distance and time. So question number 1 to 3 we have done. To watch that video you can subscribe my channel. Today we will start with question number 4. A racing car covered 600 km in 3 hours 20 minutes. Racing car covers how much distance? 600 kilometers. So firstly we will write that how much distance is given, and then time is given, but time is given in hours and minutes as well. So we have to make it into a 1 unit, that we will see that in which we are going to change. Firstly read the statement. Find its speed in meter per second. We have to find speed in meter per second. So I think it will be better that firstly if we change time into hours, if we convert whole time into hours, and after that after finding the speed, it will be easy to multiply the whole speed with 5/18, as we have done yesterday in question number 3. Here I have told you that how we have to change kilometer hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour, right? So let's start the question. Firstly we will do up to here and then we will read next. Okay, so distance is 600 kilometer and time is 3 hour 20 minute, and we have to find speed in meter per second. Firstly we will change the time into hours. How we will change? 3 is already in hours and we will change 20 into hours. So what we will do, beta? We will divide it with 60. 1 minute is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will divide it with 60. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So it becomes 3 whole 1 by 3 hour. So after changing this mixed fraction, we will get 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10 over 3 hour. This is the time. Now find the speed. We know speed is equals to what? Speed is equals to, yes, अब तो आपको सब याद हो गया होगा, डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस वी हैव? इट्स 600 kilometer. Beta, why I have changed it into hours? Because I thought that only we have to need change time into hours we can do, but here if we are changing into meter per second, so we need to change this also in meter per second. So rather than to do 2 calculations, I have done only 1, right? So over time is equal to 10 over 3 hour. When we get fraction over fraction, so what happens? We do reciprocal of this fraction. 600 kilometer multiply with इसका reciprocal करो, it becomes 3 over 10 hour. And what we will do now? 0 will be cancelled with 0. It becomes 180 kilometer per hour. Now we got speed into kilometer per hour, na? So we have to change what we have to change it into meter per second. Yesterday I told you that we will multiply the speed with the number, that is 18 over 5 or 5 over 18. I told you, na? And there I told you a trick to remember, that if we have to change into, if we have single letter there, so we will keep single number in the numerator. So we will multiply with 5 over 18. Now multiply it. 1 over 80 into 5 over 18. 18 times are 180. So it becomes 50 meter per second. Right, beta? We got speed is equal to 50 meter per second. We have done one part of this sum, and the second part is, he said, how much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds? How much distance will the car cover in 50 seconds? Means he is asking about distance and time is given. So time is equal to 50 seconds. This is second part of this question. Time is given and speed is already there. We have to find distance. Distance is equals to what? We will find the distance from here, formula from here. We need to find distance, so we will take time toward the another side and we'll get speed into time. So it becomes speed multiply time, and you will get 50 meter per second into 50 seconds. Second will be cancelled with second. It becomes 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros will come with it meter. Distance will be 2500 meter. If you want to change it into kilometer, then what you can do, you can divide it with 1000. So it becomes 2 zeros will be cancelled. It becomes 2.5 kilometer. Right? You can leave a question answer here, or you can take it up to here. Okay. So next question is, so our question number 5 is, Rohit goes 350 kilometer in 5 hours. Kilometer means 350 is distance. Hours means 5 is time. What we have to find? His speed. So you can do this sum easily, beta. You can find speed. Speed is equals to what? Yes, it is equals to distance over time. So we can do it. Distance is this, time is this. We have to find speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. We will put the values. 350 kilometer over 5 hour. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. It becomes, so answer will be 70 kilometer per hour. Now let's see what is the second part. He said the distance covered by Rohit in 6.2 hours. We have to find distance and time is given. Speed is already with us. We have calculated it. Speed is 70 kilometer per hour. Time is 6.2 hour. Distance we have to find. Beta, see, here time is in hours and here time is also in hours. So we will take it as it is. If there is little bit change, if time is in second, minutes, then we have to make the units same. But here units are same, so it's a bit easy. And distance. Distance we know. How we have to find? Take time to another side. It becomes speed into time. So multiply it 70 into 6.2. Right, kilometer over hour here and hour is here. Hour and hour will be cancelled with each other. 70 into, you can replace the decimal. Take 1 over 0 here. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus, wait. Yes. Yes, I was taking right. 7 2s are 14 and 742 plus 143. 43 kilometer. That is the required answer. Next is check on the book. He said to find time taken by him to cover 210 kilometer distance. We have to find distance here. And even one thing more, I am taking speed same in every case because he has given in the hint that assume throughout the journey speed of the Rohit remains uniform. Speed जो है यूनिफॉर्म लेनी है, तो स्पीड हर एक जगह पे सेम रहेगी. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए हम हर एक केस में स्पीड सेम लेके जा रहे हैं बेटा. Then distance is equal to this and speed we know it is 70 kilometer per hour. Time we have to find. Distance in both cases is in kilometers, so there is nothing to worry. And we have to find time. We will find time from here. Need to find time, take into this side and take speed to this side. Interchange both the numbers with each other, both the things. And you will get distance is equal to 210 kilometer over speed is 70 kilometer per hour. किलोमीटर एंड किलोमीटर विल बी कैंसल्ड एंड ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, आपके पास आएगा 0 विल बी कैंसल विद 0. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. It will be 3 hour. Time will be 3 hour. That is the required answer. So in this way beta, you can do these two sums and next two sums we will do tomorrow. So complete your NB up to here. Thank you beta.